having the attractive property. Okay, so what is magnet? First of all, give me an explanation. What is magnet? Anyone? They can explain what is magnet? Yes. Why? It is already completed now. So what is magnet? Magnet is a material that having attractive property. Okay, that can attract the metals like iron, nickel and cobalt. Is it? Okay. There are two types of material. One is magnetic material and another is non-magnetic material. Student, wherever you have query, you can ask me. Okay? आपकी कहीं भी जो क्वेरी होगी आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं कि मैम ये टॉपिक आप क्लियर करो. This is a revision. In this period, you are getting chance that you can revise and you can also ask the queries. Okay? So there are two types of material. One is magnetic and one is non-magnetic material. What are magnetic? What are the magnetic materials? The materials that are attracted by the magnet, okay, are called magnetic materials. Just like your iron, nickel, cobalt, steel, so many metals are there. Those are magnetic. Okay, most of the metals are magnetic. And what are non-magnetic materials? Non-magnetic materials are the materials that do not attract towards the magnet. Okay, जो मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट नहीं होते हैं, those are called non-magnetic material. Clear to everyone? Clear? Okay, so what are the examples of non-magnetic material? Yes, plastic, wood, rubber, paper, glass, and so many are there. Okay, so many are there. Clear to everyone? So these are all non-magnetic material. Clear? So this topic is clear to everyone. Now let's learn about how the magnet discovered. कैसे आपका magnet की discovery हुई थी? How magnet discovered? If you have seen the video, in that also I explained a story of discovery of magnet. One shepherd in Greece, his name was Magnus. He was in hills for grazing his sheep. Okay, and one day, usually he having one stick with him. Okay, usually he having one stick with him, but from the downside in his stick there is it is of metal. Okay, from downside it is of metal, and one day he was hitting one rock. Okay, he find it is very difficult to take that stick away from that rock. उसको फील हुआ कि उस स्टिक को रिमूव करना उस रॉक से वो डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है. So this is how magnet discovered. He discovered that this rock having the property of attraction. इस rock में attraction की property. And then further the scientists founded the rock that having the magnetic property. It means attractive property. Okay, and the rock. That rock name is magnetite. By the name of Magnus, this name was given to that particular rock, that is magnetite. Okay, and magnetite is the ore of iron. ये आपकी ore है iron की. It is the ore of iron. Ore क्या होती है? Ore is the material that having a percentage of particular metal is more. For example, magnetite में iron की जो quantity है परसेंटेज वो ज़्यादा होता है, तो इसीलिए उसको उसकी ओर माना जाता है. ओके, क्लियर टू एवरीवन? ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ योर मैग्नेट डिस्कवर्ड. ऐसे आपकी मैग्नेट की डिस्कवरी हुई. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन? ओके, सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज next thing is that a magnet having two poles. Okay, always a magnet have two poles. One is north and one is south. One pole is north and one pole is south. Okay, if you break this magnet, again it will convert it into two magnets and two poles. Okay, clear? So they will again convert it into two different magnet and with different poles. Clear? So always a magnet have two poles, that is north and south. Clear? And what are the different types of magnet? Yes. One is bar magnet. This magnet is called bar magnet. Bar magnet. It is in the shape of a bar. Okay. Second is horseshoe magnet. Horseshoe magnet. It is in the shape of horse के शू का जो शेप होता है, it is like that. Okay. ये इस शेप में होगा. Okay. दिख रहा है सबको? This is horseshoe magnet. And the other is cylindrical ball magnet. Cylindrical and ball-ended magnet. Ended magnet. And other are also there, but just label these are also. Okay. And इनका शेप कुछ ऐसा होता है, like इस तरीके से ये शेप होता है, and there will be a ball at the end. Okay. These are called cylindrical and ball-ended. Clear to everyone? Okay. So types of magnet depending on shape is done. Your poles are done. Now we will discuss about how magnet acts as a direction finder. Okay. How magnet acts as a direction finder. You know that in olden days also, after the discovery of magnet, the travelers also always keep the magnet with them for finding out the direction. Okay, why they keep it with them? Because magnet having the property, when it is suspended from one point, when it is suspended from one point, it always, its one side, that is called north seeking side, it means north pole, always moves toward the north direction. This is the property of the magnet. If you watch the video, अगर आपने वीडियो देखी होगी, I also shown you one video of the practical also, a practical video also, where I shown you how to check the magnet is always pointing toward the north. आप क्या कर सकते हैं? For example, आपने एक टब लिया, just take a tub and fill it with water. आपने उसे water से full कर लिया. Okay, tub and fill it with water. Take one magnet and put it on a piece of log, a piece of a wooden stick, wooden scale. Okay, and bind it. इसको बांध देंगे. Okay, and put this in this water. आप उसको disturb that magnet, and after some time you will notice that magnet will automatically, the north side of the magnet will point toward north. आप ऐसे रखोगे तो भी वो ऐसे अपने आप हो जाएगा. It means it will face toward the. Okay, this is the property of magnet. That's why the travelers keep magnet with them. Clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. But इसको clear ना हो, you can ask me. Even you can do this practical also. Like आप क्या करें, कहीं पे hang कर लो magnet को. Okay. With a thin thread. Okay, bind it with a thread. Okay, and just point out the sides. Okay, so you have to touch it, it will move, and after some time you will see the north side will point out toward the north only. Okay, कुछ टाइम बाद वो अपनी पोजीशन में जब आएगा, it will come to the north side only. North side will point toward the north side only. So this is the experiment that is showing that a magnet acts as a direction finder. That's why it is used in compass. Compass is used for finding the direction. So here the compass needle is made up of magnet. So magnet होता है. That's why whenever you are going, your compass needle is moving towards the north. होता है ना ऐसा? उसमें और भी साइड लिखी होती है, but it depends on the magnet material only, north side only. कि north side जब पता जाती है, साइड साइड अपना पता चल जाती है. If you know about the north side, are you able to find the other side or not? आपको पता है ये north है, so obvious है. पीछे क्या होगा? South होगा. इधर क्या होगा? हाँ, west होगा. इधर क्या होगा? East होगा. Obvious है. Clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. This is how a magnet acts as a direction finder. Now have you completed with your worksheets also? आपने worksheet की है सबने जो मैंने करवाई थी? Yes. Because there also I already given you answers also. मैंने आपको आंसर्स भी दिए थे. You have to write it. Okay? सबको लिखने हैं. Because these are very important, very good answers are there. Okay? One question is also there. I remember that how to make a magnet. How to make your own magnet. So it's also a very simple experiment. You can do it in your home also. Okay? You have to take a one piece of soft iron. आपको iron का एक piece चाहिए उसके लिए. Okay? Okay, iron can be converted into magnet. Clear है? And then what you have to do? You need a one magnet. Okay, and then you have to do what? आपको बार-बार उस magnet को move करवाना है from that magnet, from one side to other side, one side to another side, one side to another side, at least for 30 to 40 times. Okay? 30 to 40 times you have to do this process, and then check is it showing a magnetic property or not, that iron is converted into magnet or not. If it is converted, okay. If it is not converted, then do that particular process again 30-40 times. Definitely it will convert it into a magnet. Clear to everyone? So this is a very easy answer also, and very easy practical also. Clear? Okay. So show me your book. One more topic is left about the attraction and the repulsion property of magnet. Magnet having the attraction repulsion property depending upon its poles. Okay, for example, one magnet is there. Magnet can attract another magnet also, but it depends on, it will attract or repel, it depends on its pole. Okay, for example, a magnet has two poles. If a magnet is near to it, is of same pole, then they will what? They will repel. Okay, and if the magnet is near to another magnet is of different अट्रैक्शन होगा. Okay, attraction will be there. Clear to everyone? Attraction will be there. So this chapter is almost completed. Every topic is revised here. Anyone having any query regarding this chapter? One more thing. One more topic is there. A magnet. The poles of the magnet having the strongest attraction power. The attraction power in the magnet is strong at their poles as compared to its middle. Poles में जो attraction power होती है, it is maximum. Okay, that's why if you do experiment, आप iron flings है आपके पास, उसके आसपास अगर आप magnet को place करोगे, तो what will happen? The iron flings will attract toward the poles only. They will attract in middle, but there the number will be very small. The most of the iron fling will attract toward the poles only. Clear to everyone? So what does it mean? इसका meaning क्या हुआ? It means that the attraction in the poles of magnet is maximum as compared to its middle part. Clear to everyone? Clear? Okay. So almost the topic is completed. So students, what you have to do? You have to, I am giving you some homework. You have to revise it at your home. In your notebook, you have to do it. As a revision, you have to do. How is compass used to find direction? How is compass used to find? I will ask you questions. Okay, you have to prepare questions. Direction. Second is write any two properties of magnet. Write any two properties of magnet. Two properties of magnet. Third is how magnet discovered. How is magnet discovered? How was magnet discovered? How was magnet discovered? One more question. Name the ore. Name the ore of iron which have the property of magnetism. Okay. Name the ore of iron which have the property of magnetism. Magnetism की property है इसमें, आपको उस ore का नाम लिखना है. Okay. अभी मैंने आपको बताया था it is magnetite. So you have to also do it in your notebook also. Clear to everyone? So this chapter is almost finished. If you having any query, you can ask me. Okay? I hope all the topics are clear now. Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Is it clear? Yes. Okay. So do practice with this chapter also.